Next, we're going to learn how to organize and summarize quantitative data. What will change when we consider the small discrete type of data? Consider the following dataset obtained from asking 20 students how many hours they worked per day. Note that this discrete data is classified as small discrete, as rarely a part-time employee works more than 8 hours per day. Can we treat this dataset the same way we treated qualitative datasets previously? The answer is yes. We can list all possible values, do the tally, find the frequencies and the total, and then compute the relative frequencies. So we can construct a relative frequency distribution table for small discrete data the same way we did it earlier for qualitative data. Can we construct the frequency bar chart for small discrete data the same way we did it earlier for ordinal data? The answer is yes. And how about the relative frequency bar chart? The answer is yes as well. However, there are a few things that we are going to do differently this time. Since quantitative, unlike qualitative data, is associated with real number line, we will draw the bars touching each other so that no number on the number line is left uncovered, unless the corresponding frequency is 0. To highlight these differences between the quantitative and qualitative data, we're going to call this type of charts histograms instead of bar charts. As expected, a histogram that uses frequencies on the vertical axis is called a frequency histogram, and similarly, a histogram that uses relative frequencies on the vertical axis is called a relative frequency histogram. We discussed how to visually summarize small discrete data. In short, we can treat small discrete data the same way as qualitative data, except the fact that the bar charts are now called histograms, and the bars must have no gaps in between unless the corresponding frequency is 0.